Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Excel data back. First, always check your computer's recycle bin. Often, deleted Excel files are simply moved there. If the file is corrupted, try Excel's built-in open and repair function. You can also search your system for temporary Excel files, which sometimes hold unsaved data. Finally, Excel's auto recover feature is a lifesaver for files that weren't properly saved before a crash. These initial steps can often resolve common data loss issues quickly. If the basic methods don't work, consider more advanced techniques. Windows file history can often restore previous versions of your Excel files, taking you back to a point before data was lost. For more severe cases, specialized data recovery software can scan your hard drive for deeply deleted files. Always check your cloud storage, like OneDrive, as it frequently keeps multiple versions. Don't forget to search your email. You might have sent or received a copy of the workbook. Preventing data loss is always better than recovering it. Ensure Excel's auto-save and auto-recover features are enabled with a short interval, perhaps every 5 minutes. Make it a habit to regularly back up your critical Excel files to an external drive or network location. Saving your work frequently, even every few minutes, can prevent significant loss if something goes wrong. Leveraging cloud storage services like OneDrive or Google Drive offers automatic synchronization and version history, providing an extra layer of protection. To summarize, recovering Excel data often involves a combination of methods, from checking the recycle bin to using advanced software. The best practice is always prevention. Enable autosave, back up regularly, and utilize cloud services. Remember to stay calm and systematically try each recovery option. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the links in the description below. By following these steps, you significantly increase your chances of getting your valuable Excel data back and preventing future losses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.